And today we are going to do the reactive forms. Okay, so what we are going to do, so this is the form which we are going to create, which this is just HTML form right now, and we are going to convert it into reactive form. For template driven form, please see my earlier live stream, yesterday's live stream, in which we have completed a template driven approach. Okay, so that was done, and today the reactive approach. So people think that reactive approach is a bit difficult, but reactive approach is also not that much difficult, and I find it's much more easier than that your template driven approach, and it has got more things to do in the TypeScript file than in the your template file. So that is one of the difference which is there in the reactive and template, and we are going to see both of them. Okay, wait a sec. Okay, so let's get started. And as I've told, this is again a basic form. This form again a basic form, nothing much there. A bootstrap form with the input type text, username, form control, and all these things are there. uh, Even much easier than that, the gender also I have kept, and submit. And the TypeScript have this, just have this genders. And okay, so we will get started. And the first thing which we need to do is again go to app module.ts, and this time, okay, this is not there. Forms module, we don't want forms module, we want reactive forms module. This is very important. Okay, so we want reactive forms module. Let me remove this. Okay, so after that, let us let us add that. First let us do from the TypeScript only, because reactive forms, as I've told, it is mainly TypeScript driven and not a template driven. Okay, so first thing first, we will do this ng on init, and within that only we will control the form. And then let us create a on submit also. Okay, it is not yet handled there. On submit also let us create. Okay, so first thing is that I want implements ng on init. So on init, so as you might know, on init is like constructor also, it runs only the first time. Okay, so on init I have done, it is imported. Yeah, it is good. Then after that, on it is giving error because, will it do it? Oh, it did it. ng on init, this wide thing, this too much TypeScript, I don't like. Okay, let it be there. Okay, so another thing which we are going to do is a sign up form is form group. Form group we are going to do, and form group is also imported. Okay, so then after that, this dot sign up form, this or sign up form we are going to do equal to new form group is user name is, okay, validator I'm going to use later on. Let us first do like this, null. Okay, so username, okay, we are going to give username, email, and this gender only. Okay, so that is okay. Email. Okay, one more thing which is wrong is sometimes they give, so this is a string, email is a string, gender is new form control. let us let us choose something. So instead of this null, I'll choose mail. Okay, and then on submit is this dot sign up form. Okay, this is there. So now we will go to the app component.html, and here the first thing which we need to do in the form is to have this form group equal to the same name, this sign up form which we have, this sign up form, it will be there. Okay, sign up form, and let us have a ng submit also. Ng submit equal to on submit, the function which we have just created. Submit, we don't have to pass anything. So on submit, this function which we have just created, let me just copy it so that it is not different. And now the main thing is that here there is something known as form control name. So we have to do that form control name. Okay, so form control name equal to username, form control name equal to email, form control name equal to gender. So three things are okay. And now let us go to our form, start the console. Let me give Ruth mail submit. So see, this form group have come from this is the sign up form, has got form group, and I'll come down here, and where is it? Yeah, the value is there, value is okay. So this is how the main thing is. This is the main thing of reactive form. Okay, so means the all of the main thing is in the app component, is in the TypeScript file, not in the HTML file. So it is that in that case it is opposite to template driven form. The name itself says it is a template driven. Okay, so that is more template driven. So anyone you can use. Actually in our project we are going to use soon, we are going to you work on that project which we are creating, and we are going to soon going to use both of them, template driven also and reactive also, in our project. Okay, so now what we are going to do, now we are going to add the validators in here. So for the validators, again the validators are added from here, not from the HTML file. This is again another difference, and comma validators dot required. So validators is imported also, comma validators dot required, comma validators dot email. So just like that email which we have in the template driven. So why it is giving, yeah, it is giving error because it have to be an array. If you have more than one, okay, not like this, it have to be an array like this. So now the error have gone. Okay, so and this is also done, save it. And now we are going to go back here, and we are going to add a bit of CS thing, means please enter a valid username, that text we needed to add. So we are going to add those things, so let us do it. Okay, so this form control is there. After this form control, I will have a span, and span, let me put the span, what we are going to put, please enter a valid username. Okay, I have given, and star ng if equal to sign of form dot get user username. Okay, dot get username dot valid. So sign up form dot get username dot valid, and sign up form dot get username dot touched. Okay, and class equal to help block. So it is again bootstrap thing. So we are checking whether sign up form is valid or not, and dot get fit get and it is touched or not. So we are using that ngif to check that. And similarly, let me copy this because the check will be same for the email also. Okay. Actually I did for the email. Email please enter valid email. So this is good. I just have to okay, there is my input and input is ending here, so I don't have to change anything here because I did some mistake. Okay, and plus see, this is the similar thing which we did in for the template driven also means. And now we are going to change the app dot component dot css file we are going to do, and here we are going to do the same thing. Input dot ng invalid dot ng touched. It is not gn, it is ng border 1px solid red. Okay, now let us go back here and let us come here, here. It is working fine. Groot I will do. Now let me do this and it is working fine, but let me remove this. Yeah, it is working fine. Okay, and I'll be able to submit it. It's better to check once more. Okay, yeah, it is submitting also. Now we'll complete this form is now we'll check how to get the default values in the form. Okay, so we have learned about the patch value thing in the previous part, template driven. So there is something known as set value also. So let us see how the set value works. Okay, so in the ng on init only we are going to do the set value. Okay, so because ng on it runs for the first time, it is like constructor. We don't have constructor, but constructor it is like constructor only. There are not many lifecycle method in Angular. Ng on it is that ng destroys the another one. Okay, so this is ending here, and then this dot sign up form dot set value is like username is not this username. I'm going to set anything username. Let me set is super user should be small actually. Super user comma email is super user at twt.codes. Yeah, my company name, and I do have an email, not with this but @ codes mail. So why it is giving error? Because I forgot to give a comma here. So comma I have given, and now okay, this dot sign up form dot reset. I'll do reset. I did save it, and let me go back. See, all of these things are done by default. Okay, submitted. Value username is none, 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 none. So we have an issue here. So actually it is getting, okay, let me see again. This thought sign up form is okay. Where this set value is okay or not? Yeah, it is okay. Actually, I don't like these things. Gender is male. This dot sign up form dot set value is okay. Username, email, gender. I think. Okay, let me submit again. Again, the value is coming null. Okay. 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 Type is submitted. Okay. Okay. Do I have to take something like it is form group only? Sign up form is form group. Okay. Okay. In sign up form dot set values, is it right? No. Okay. This dot sign up value. Okay. Should not be like this. Should be patch value only. I think patch value. If I submit it, actually I didn't saw this. Let me check further. But if I use ng model here, what's the thing? Okay. Oh, got it. I think I got it. Actually, it should not be null. Actually, it should not be null. This should be empty string. Because when I give something, it should not be null. Actually, it should be empty string. Now, if I do, now also it is coming. Let me do one thing. Okay, it is still, but is it working? Yeah. Now even this is coming as null. So what did I did? Okay, the moment I give this, it is giving issues. Okay, let me save this. And what? What did I did? I think I did something wrong here only because it was coming earlier. I clearly knew that thing it was coming. So this thing happened when you are going to do this thing live. Okay, let me do that again. Now the values are passing correctly. Okay, so and then if I give like in ng on init only, if I give something like set value, save it, come back here. Oh, it is coming correctly. So what was happening at that time? See, it is coming correctly. I don't know, sometimes all these things happens. I don't know why these things happen. Even here also. See, now again it is coming correctly. Everything was right. I don't know what the hell I did wrong. Okay, so everything is done. We just did 10 minutes in debugging. That is good. This kind of thing happen in live streaming, and I am loving it because if I would have recorded it, I would have edited it. You were thinking me as if I was a Superman. No, it is not. We also get this error. So I don't even know what happened. Maybe there are not many people in the live stream, so they can point it out. Maybe the value word or something, it was wrong. Okay, so it was not coming because of that, and I'm happy this error have come, and that we are actually done with today's stream. Hope you like today's stream, so please do subscribe to my channel, and please give a thumbs up to this video so that it can reach more people. There are a lot of people who need to know Angular, and today only I have decided means to take a Angular bootcamp on 24th, on 24th of this October. So it will be complete bootcamp. Sunday, it will be on a Sunday morning, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So complete the bootcamp. The details of it will be in the description. So it will be, yeah, it will be a paid bootcamp, and initial price will be very less. So price and all you can find it out there. So complete the bootcamp. I'll teach everything, and it will be a live bootcamp on a Zoom, not on YouTube. On Zoom it will be there, so you can ask me anything and all these things. So previously I had done a React.js bootcamp which has got a very good response. So I'm doing this Angular bootcamp because this is Angular month going on. So yeah, hope you will hope you keep liking my Angular videos also, and please do subscribe to my channel. It has helped me to grow the channel, and I am working very hard on it, daily producing a video. Thank you again.